Hey guys, so to kick off today's look, I'm going to be applying a little bit of the MAC Strobe cream in the shade Pinklite to the high points on Emma's face, so the top of the cheekbones and down the center of her face. Before going in with the foundation, I'm using the Bobbi Brown Stick Foundation in Warm Ivory, and I mixed in a little bit of the Beauty Blender Primer in Opal Essence just to add a little bit of a glow and also thin out the foundation a little bit because Emma has combination skin and this foundation is definitely geared towards oily skin types, so I just wanted to make it a little bit more hydrating. Next, underneath her eyes, I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown Concealer in the shade Warm Ivory, again underneath her eyes and down the center of her face, before setting everything down with a little bit of the Mercier Loose Translucent Powder. You guys know I absolutely adore this powder. It is so perfect for just mattifying the skin and setting everything down. Next, I'm going to contour her cheekbones out a little bit using a little bit of the KVD Beauty Shade and Light Contour Palette. I'm using the lightest contour here in the shade Sombre just to carve out those cheekbones. Before moving on to blush, I'm using the MAC Mineralize blush in Warm Soul. This is an oldie but a goodie, an absolute go-to blush for me. And then highlighting using the top left shade Glisten from the Nikkia Joy Cosmetics Illuminate highlighting palette. This looked absolutely stunning. Like, just look at that glow. It's phenomenal. Next, we wanted to do a strong liner look, so I went in with a little bit of the Loreal Black Gel Liner. This is my go-to liner. I think I've been through like 3 pots of this, and just created a strong wing on her eyes before going in with eyeshadow. I first took the shade Peach out, which is towards the bottom left, and just carved out a bit of a crease and a bit of an outer V shading type thing on her eyes before using a nude shade all over the mobile lid, and then just working a little bit of the shade Chic, which is this like soft warm brown along the lower lash line, and just further deepening up the crease with that shade, as well as an even deeper, richer brown shade. I put all the shade names in the description box below if you want to know exactly which shades I used. Next, she has gorgeous lashes, so we went in with a little bit of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, before moving on to lips, where I applied a thin layer of the MAC Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Under the Covers, and then topped it off with a little bit of the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. This is like the original shade. Before setting everything down in place with the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day setting spray in the Rose scent. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and keep an eye out for future client makeovers, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!